Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Teach Me Money Methods, where we talk about everything about affiliate marketing, and I'm here to help beginner affiliate marketers so they can achieve their goals and be on the right path to start making affiliate commissions. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my 5 affiliate marketing programs for beginners. These are great. Anybody can sign up to these programs and start going out there and promoting great products. So I'm going to show you these in this video. So let's get into it right now. So number 1 is Warrior Plus. Now, Warrior Plus is really simple and easy for anybody to get started on. Now, there are some products that you will have to have an established affiliate account, or you may not get approved, but there are different ways that you can go about getting approved for those different products. One way is to create a quick 30-second, 60-second YouTube video and send that over in your application. All you need to do is get a few sales under your belt. Really, you just try. You can actually even put in for 5 products per day, and you'll get approved for one of them. Make yourself 10 or 20 sales, and then you'll establish your account, because they do a grading system. And I have a pretty seasoned account now. So every time I hit the request to promote button, I get auto approved. But that just comes over time. So after you make some sales, you'll be able to do that. But as you can see right here, there's $12,645. Now, I've only been using Warrior Plus the last year, maybe year and a half. So this is mostly for the last 12 months that I've been able to earn $12,000 on the Warrior Plus platform. So this one is a really, really good one. Anybody can go and sign up there. And again, and there's another one too called JVZoo. I didn't put that one in here, and I have made a few $1,000s on that platform as well. But Warrior Plus is definitely my favorite, even above JVZoo, because it's just the ease of use. It's super easy to get started, to sign up your account, and then to just click a button and get approved. And it's just really easy to get started on Warrior Plus. So that's definitely my number 1 recommended beginner affiliate marketing platform. So let's go look at number 2. So this one you probably haven't heard of, and most people don't talk about it, but this is Impact. And there's a lot of different other ones. There's Share a Sale and just a bunch of other different ones that we could go over. But this one is Impact, and there's so many big companies and big brands that use Impact. And so you're able to go in and this one would be for more long-term sales. There are some reoccurring commissions built in, but for the most part, these are just really good. You're promoting the best products that you can that you're going to be able to find online. So it's pretty easy to make sales on this platform. And so you would just go over to Impact and you would sign up, and it's very legit. You'll have to fill out all your information, and they probably will you'll have to be reported as far as the income you're making and pay taxes on that. Now you can see right here, I've only been using Impact. This is pretty incredible. I've only been using Impact for, so you can see up here that I have under the overview from January 1st to August 25th. But really, if you look at the chart below, I've only been using this platform since June. So looks like I sent 10 visitors in June. I made no money in June, but you can see in July that I had made $500 in July. And then in August, I made $1,129, and the month's not even over. So in 2 short months, I've made $1,641 on this platform. It's a really, really good platform. So that number 2 is Impact. So go check it out. So number 3 is going to be Pay Kickstart. You can see on the chart here that I have selected, up at the top, I've selected just January 1st of this year to today, August 25th, 2021. But I've only been using this one for a few months as well. And I've had some refunds. So your gross commissions is what I completely, all the sales in total, but my net commissions is $1,779, because in red over here, you can see you're going to get some refunds on this product or on the products that you sell. And so that's pretty normal. But you can definitely see that there is a $1,779 that I've been able to make in just a few months. And that's from about 100 sales, and a little bit of it's recurring. I want to see if I can find some more products in Pay Kickstart, and I'll let you guys know and update you when I find some good products that are actually reoccurring products, because that's what I do like to focus on. I like to find reoccurring commission structure products, and make sure you subscribe, because I will be coming out with a video very soon about talking about reoccurring affiliate commission structures and why you should be focusing on those in your business as well, so that you can start off each month with a certain amount of money already generated because you've already made the sales, and you're going to get paid continuously for those efforts, right? Instead of having to go out and make a certain amount of sales every month just to make the amount of money that you need per month, right? So we'll make a whole video about that. Not going to focus on that in this video, but just so you know, Pay Kickstart is another really good one. And they actually, if you come up here, this little button up here on the slide, that's actually will take you to their marketplace, and that will show you the hundreds of products that they have uploaded here and all the vendors. And you can easily, one click, be able to apply to that vendor's product. So this is another really good one. So let's go over to number 4. Now this one is, I've been promoting it since about February or March, and this is Jarvis. It used to be called Conversion AI. So this is just a software tool that has their own, so it's only one, it's not like an affiliate platform where there's a bunch of different products that you choose from. This one is just one product. It's one software that they're running their own affiliate program for. I signed up for that when they came out, and I was kind of an early adopter, and I kind of wish I would have even hit it harder on my promotions, because there are several affiliates making thousands of dollars per month, reoccurring commissions, multi-thousands, 3, 5, up to $10,000 per month just from promoting this software. So it's an AI generation software. You guys have probably seen some of my videos on here, and some of you have signed up through my links, and I'm very grateful for that, and I'm very thankful for that. I appreciate you guys. But this is some of the commissions that have been coming out. It's very consistent, right? So I started off, my first one was a $271, and then 3 months ago, I got paid on July. They gave me 2 payments in July. So $563, $642, and then my next payment, you already know what your next payment's going to be, so that's really cool. So you can kind of plan for that in your budgeting. My next payment will be $614, and that will be coming towards the end of the month. They try to pay you at the end of the month. Sometimes there's a delay because they pay you through PayPal, and that's why there was a delay over here for the 2 months I got paid. So I should be getting paid any day now, and it'll be another $600. So you can see right here, I made a good, $1,800, closing in on $2,000 on that program. And the cool part about this is that this is reoccurring. So I start off the month, and I'm already, and when you have some subscribers that will leave, but in general, you're starting off with this money in your pocket every month. So I really like reoccurring. So this is definitely a reoccurring commission structure, and Jarvis is really, really good. So number 5, let's check out number 5. This is the HBA or Home Business Academy. Now, this isn't my largest affiliate commissions yet, but I am focused on this. And if you guys ever want to work with me one-on-one, people that come into the Home Business Academy with my link and sign up underneath me, then they will get one-on-one treatment from me. We can get on a Zoom call. All you have to do is just email me, and we can hook up, and I'll actually get on a Zoom call with you for free if you sign up with the HBA-HOME Business Academy. Now, there's different levels. The one that I usually try to just get people to sign up to is the Funnel Builder. That's how, if any of you bought Fiverr Profits Academy from me, I built that entire course and the sales page and everything with the Funnel Builder that you get for just $25 a month with HBA. So it's really, really cool. I believe in it. It's a great company. They have really, really good leadership there. They care about the community, and it's been around since 2016. So it's not a fly by night company that just is here one day and then gone the next. It is not really an MLM, even though you could kind of put it in that category. But really, you don't get any money from people that sign up underneath you. I don't make any money from them going out and promoting. I only make money from the recruits or people that I have come in and buy from my link, right? So It is not like any other MLM that you've ever seen. So you can see right here, $960 in total commissions. I've been utilizing this since about February, March of this year as well. You can see right here, January 1st, 2021 to August 25th. And so it's a little slow going, but still, this is almost $1,000 of commissions in my pocket. And again, I really believe in this one. I want to get this one up to about $3,000 a month reoccurring. This is another reoccurring commission structure. And once you only have to make 2 sales once you come into the company. You can start for $25, right? $25 a month. You get the best funnel builder. It's way better than Clickfunnels. And you can go out there and sell that tool, and they offer 80% commissions. So if you sell a $25 funnel to somebody else, they have the software and the tools that they need in their business. And then you also make $20 a month off of that person. Really, really cool stuff. So if you're interested, click the link below for HBA, and then also you can email me and we can hook up, and I can actually even see what you're doing in your business and give you extra help. So let me know. So that was a total of $19,115. So closing in on $20,000 just in affiliate commissions from those 5 platforms, right? And I showed you the screenshots, showed you the proof. You've seen plenty of my videos. I actually log in live. I didn't want to do that in this one because it would just take too long. I want to kind of make this video a little bit more condensed. So this was mostly this year, besides some of the Warrior Plus commissions coming in at the back end of last year as well. And so it's very powerful. My affiliate business is taking off right now. I also do a lot of vendor stuff and product creation myself, but I'm still very much in the affiliate game, and that's why you should follow this channel and subscribe. Not all of my affiliate platforms that I use. So again, there's plenty of other ones. I could have put JVZoo in here. I actually make JVZoo more than HBA, but I want to throw in HBA because I think it's more of a long-term strategy, and it's a really good platform. So there's a lot of other platforms that I use and I make money from, but you can't at least 5 or 10 more, but I can't put all those in one video. I wanted to do my top 5. So this is all affiliate commissions, not vendor sales. That's what that 19,000 represents. Okay. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more updates and great affiliate marketing tutorials from me, and I'll see you in my next video.